There's two ways to drag and drop stuff from one app to another on the iPad. You can use the split screen view, which makes it easy to pull stuff from one app to another. But you can also do it with the single full screen apps, and it's actually kind of cool when you do it. Let me show you how to do it. I'm going to hop in the Photos app, for example, and let's say I want to drag and drop something from here to another app. I'm going to tap and hold a photo, and when I drag it slightly, it'll turn into this transparent little preview. Now, the cool part is that while I'm holding it, I can tap more photos and they'll get added into a stack, which I can then drag to another app. Once the selection is done, I'm going to keep holding down, and with my other hand or other finger, I can then swipe up to go to the home screen and then find another app. This could be anything. And I'm going to drag these into my notes for now. You'll see a little green plus icon on top of your items, which kind of shows you that the new app is ready to accept whatever you're about to drag in there. It'll load for a second because my photos are in iCloud and not stored locally, and then it'll drop all 8 photos into my note. Let's do another one. This time we'll pull something from Safari. I'll tap and hold this image here, for example, and then keep holding while I navigate back to the home screen. I could even drag the image itself over an app icon here, and when I hold it there for a second, that app will open up and allow me to drop the image in there. I'm using Notes again, but you could drop these into Messages, emails, to another browser window, whatever you need, really. And before we wrap it up, this is how you could do the same thing when using the multitasking view, where you can set up 2 app windows side by side. Simply drag and drop stuff from one app to another. I have a separate video showing how to use the split screen view, and if you want to learn more about that, I'll link that in the description below this video. And that's how you drag and drop. Pretty cool, huh? Click that like button if this helped. Share with your friend who doesn't know about this feature yet, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.